Hello everyone, welcome to our English class. Today I am going to explain new story, The Elders of Siam. In this story, some characters given, that is, a narrator, 7 elders, boy, villages and police. Before start the story, let you see some images related to the story. See these reflections. Is there anything strange about it? Is everything facing the opposite direction? Now let I enter the story. In the beginning, narrator described the story. This is the village of Siam. 7 elders are the leader of the village. The 7 elders of this village are always in meeting. They meet to think, for they love thinking. They have to think and find answers to many problems. They wanted to meet in every day. They meet and find answers some problems. They meet and discuss something and find answers for many problems. Because they love thinking. See, usually elders always love thinking. And also they meet every day and find answers for many problems. And also they are the leaders of this village. So they meet every day and they find answers to many problems. Likewise, one problem here, these elders of Siam, let me see how they find the answers and they solve the problems. At first, second elder running into the room, I have some very bad news. It is about the moon. The moon has fallen into a barrel of water. What is meant by barrel? Barrel means a large round container with a flat top and bottom that is used for storing liquids. Barrel means large round container. It is used for storing liquids. That is barrel. So it is a bad news for all other elders. In this line you have to imagine, children, when the moon fallen into the barrel of water, what you do? What you think? You see confused, is it, children? Now other elders alarmed. What? Where? Now the second elder points outside. Next, third elder, how is that possible? Let's go and have a look. So they rush outside and look at the reflections of the moon in a barrel of water. So they rush outside and look at the reflection of the moon in a barrel of water. What is meant by reflection? The image of the moon seen in the water. That is called reflection. Reflection means the image of the moon that is seen in the water. That is called reflection. So they run outside and look at the reflection of the moon in the barrel of water. They are eager to see that moon in the barrel of water. Yes, indeed, the moon has fallen into this barrel of water. They see that. Now the fourth elder asked, what shall we do now? So fifth elder replied, we should inform all the villagers. Call a young boy to come forward. So they decided to inform the news all the villagers. That is, the moon has fallen into the water. There is one boy here, so they call him. And you have to go all the houses and ask them to come here at once. It is a very important matter. So the elders wanted to spread the news for all the villages. That is, the moon has fallen into the water. Finally, the villagers gather around and are alarmed to see the moon in the barrel. Alarmed means worried and afraid. They worried and afraid to see the moon into the barrel. Alarmed means worried and afraid. The word alarmed means worried and afraid. See, the villagers said the moon has fallen down from the sky. They all believed that the moon was fallen down from the sky. So the villagers asked, "What shall we do now? What shall we do? Oh, what shall we do now?" So all the one asked, "What shall we do now? What shall we do?" So first elder replied, "Let me think." So he wrinkles his forehead and scratches his head. Wrinkles means சுருக்குறது, நெற்றியை சுருக்குதல். Forehead means நெற்றி. Scratches means சொறிதல். So he wrinkles his forehead and scratches his head means அவங்க நெற்றியை நல்லா சுருக்கி தலையை சொரிஞ்சிக்கிட்டே இருந்தாங்க. They didn't know the answer, so they do like that. At last they said, "I have got it. We should close the barrel so the moon won't escape." Second elder replied, "What a wonderful idea." All the elders closed the barrel tightly. Now fifth elder replied, "The moon will now belong only to us." Sixth elder asked to boy, "Get a lid to seal the barrel. Make sure you close it tight. The moon shouldn't escape." So the boy replied, "Okay, sir." So the barrel is sealed tightly. The next morning the villagers gathered to see the moon again. The elders lift the lid and first elder said, "The moon isn't here. Where is the moon?" They open the barrel and see the barrel. There is not the moon. So the moon isn't here. Where is the moon? First elder asked. Second elder replied, "Where would it go? We closed the barrel tight. So where it go?" So the elders walk around and scratching their heads, their foreheads wrinkled. Scratching their heads, which means தலையை வந்து சொறியிறது, and foreheads wrinkled, that means நெற்றியை வந்து சுருக்கிறது. Then seventh elder said, "Stolen? The moon's been stolen?" That like the seventh elder said. So the boy replied, "Stolen? I will go and get the police." So the boy go and get the police. So finally the police arrive. They search and search, but to this day they still haven't found who stole the moon. They search more, but still they haven't found out. As we know that the moon hasn't fallen down in the sky. It is the reflection of the moon. But these seven elders confused. The moon has fallen into the sky. The elders still have meetings every day to think and try to find out who stole the moon. Children, you see, where do you think the moon went? Have you all ever thought moon has fallen down into the sky? Do you think the elders will solve the mystery? Yes, definitely. Because they love to think. So the elders will definitely solve the mystery. Do you know who stole the moon? That is, you have to think. I hope you all understood this story. Thank you.